The Clarke CDP5RB 5-speed bench-mounted engineer's drill press is ideal for DIYers and model engineers. Featuring a 350-watt, 230-volt motor and 13mm capacity chuck, the CDP5RB is a great addition to the home workshop. It features a depth gauge and a height-adjustable cast-iron tilting table. This 160mm square table is machined with slots to help clamp your workpiece. The chuck is mounted via a B16 taper. For safety, the chuck is covered by a flip-up Perspex guard and also features a no-voltage release switch, so it can't start unexpectedly should mains power fail. A front-mounted reference chart has an accurate depth measurement scale which also shows the 5 available drilling speeds. The drilling speed can be easily adjusted from 620 to 2620 RPM to suit plastic, metal and wood by lifting up the belt guard and swapping the belt onto the appropriate drive pulleys. The belt guard is fitted with an electrical cutout to prevent the drill from operating when it's lifted. With its tilting work table, depth gauge, 5 speeds and 13mm chuck, the Clarke CDP5RB 5-speed bench-mounted pillar drill will give you many years of reliable service.